how to increase your vocabulary. 2 big steps. Number 1, you need to read and listen a lot. Listen and read articles that contain vocabulary you want to learn. Science, sports, information technology. You choose the topic. You have to listen or read the same piece at least 3 times. First reading, you identify. Second reading, you guess the meaning. Third reading, you verify. First reading, read the whole thing together. Don't stop. Just circle the words that you don't understand, or write them in a piece of paper if you're listening. Second reading, try to guess the meaning from the context. You need to identify the form of the word used in the context, used in the grammar. Is it a noun, a verb, an adjective? You need to figure that out. Once you know the form of the word, you need to identify the other forms. I mean, if you have an adjective, you need to find out what is the noun, what is the verb, and what is the adverb. Do they exist? And third reading, you need to verify your guesses. Use the dictionary to find the definitions and to verify if the word has the corresponding adjectives, adverbs, verbs, or nouns. Step number 2, it is time to write. And you need to write sentences. You now know the meaning, but that doesn't mean that you know how to use it or that you are going to remember it. So the best way to practice this is by writing. Writing sentences is much better to learn vocabulary than just writing or learning words isolated. Write sentences about things that you remember because they are important for you. Using cards like this, you can write your sentences. One sentence with each form of the word that you are trying to learn. I mean, one sentence using the word as a noun, another sentence using the word as an adverb, and so on. Also, you can try to write different types of sentences. Simple, compound, complex, compound, complex. On the other side of the card, you can write the definition according to the dictionary, and you can also write a couple of synonyms and one antonym. And please do not forget to practice the pronunciation. Write the phonetic transcription of the word. It doesn't make sense to learn vocabulary if you don't pronounce it correctly. Using a box like this or something similar, organize your cards in 3 groups. Green, amber, and red. Green for the ones you know very well, amber for the ones you almost know, and red for the ones that you don't know. Put the box on your desk where you can see it quite often. You can also put it on your bedside table, or maybe on your coffee table in the living room. The idea is that every time you have a few free minutes, you can study some vocabulary. Read the sentences out loud, repeat them over and over. This way you will also be practicing your pronunciation, your intonation, and your grammar at the same time as your vocabulary. Bring it with you everywhere. Rotate the cards as you learn them. Don't remove the cards, add new ones, and repeat the process. Your box will become bigger and bigger. You just need to remove the cards when you are 100% sure that you use the words correctly.